Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's short and quick video I'm going to demonstrate that you can rearrange Pinterest boards alphabetically. So that's a very simple thing to do. Just make sure to open the saved section of the app or your profile or Pinterest profile. In here, about the section that contains all your boards, you'll find this little option left to the plus icon. Tap on it then, and in here at the sort by field or section, you'll find that you can automatically rearrange those boards that you have from A to Z, thus in the alphabetical order. That's exactly what I'm going to do now, and as you can see, all my boards were successfully placed in the alphabetical order, in depending on the board's names, basically. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.